guys, what is up? My name is LC. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget that if you like what you see, you can subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget you can turn on notifications and then you'll get notified whenever I post a video. We're doing some hair today. I know it's been a minute, but yes, every summer for the past 3 summers, I have done something fun and different with my hair, and this summer is no different. So, first though, we are gonna jump right in and I'm gonna show you how I got my hair to this semi-ashy gray type of thing.
Hey guys, so I actually decided that if you want to see how I bleached and toned my hair, I'm gonna have a mini Instagram video up on my Instagram, of course. So if you want to check out and see how I did that, you can go see that little video. I decided to just keep it out of this video, try not to have it too long and blah blah blah, you know.
I do want to say really quick though, I am not a licensed professional. I ain't a professional, no way, no how, okay? So you take what I say with a grain of salt, you do what you are comfortable with. If you want to go to a hairdresser and just get it done, all no worries, go ahead, do it. I'm just here to show you what I'm doing, and I don't know, maybe, yeah. Alright, so yes, this is the finished outcome of my toning and bleaching process. I do like how it looks. I love it. I love this ashy gray stuff that we got going on all throughout the hair. I don't mind that certain parts didn't totally get toned just because we are going in with another color. I'm so excited. I have finally picked my summer color for this summer, and drum roll please, it is Neon Peach. This is a dye from Makeup Monsters Cosmetics. By the way, if you don't already know, I have a code with them that will save you 15% off your order, which is FLAWLESSLC. I have never tried their hair dyes before, so this is a first try for me, you know, we'll see how it goes. I've seen some pictures on their Instagram that look gorgeous with different colors, and this one just spoke to me. This one is called Main Squeeze. If you go on their website, they have tons of different colors for your little rainbow heart to decide. I also found out after I purchased this, they posted on their Instagram how this color and I think 3 other colors are black light activated. I'm so excited. Let's do this. Ooh, look at it. Ah! The past few times I've done my hair, I have done like full colors, or I did the full blue, and then before that I did a dark, almost black brown underneath with bits of it throughout the hair, and then before that I did pink strips. Now, it was a while ago, but I recall it being very difficult. I did not enjoy the process of actually dyeing the hair because you have to be so careful when doing strips. So just bear with me. What I do, which might, okay, it's gonna look ridiculous, okay? Just, I don't wanna hear it, all right? I don't wanna hear it, so don't even say it. Now, I was considering doing my whole head, but I wanna see how the strips work first, and then we'll go from there, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take most of the top part of my hair and very professionally just kind of put it up, and you know, I'm not here to deal with your judgment. Isn't it just crazy how great I am at this? I mean, if this doesn't scream professional, I don't know what will. We're gonna go ahead and just start this, okay? Oh gosh, I think that's too much. Now, some people might do conditioner mixed in with it, but I want it to be as bright as possible. Like I said, I've never tried their dyes before, so like I don't know how strong they are or like how pigmented it's gonna be. So hopefully I don't regret not doing the conditioner, you know? And then I'm just gonna kind of like squish them together like that. Just really get that color in there and just really, ooh yeah, really get it. And then now, we take the tin foil, right? And like fold it all up. Yeah, that works. I'm also not super worried about my roots when I get back over here in the back of my head, only because I'm doing the strips pretty much under that top layer of hair you have up here, so you won't really see the roots. So I'm not too concerned with getting all up in there on these back parts. But when I do the areas closer to my head, obviously I want those to be more colored at the roots, just because you don't want to see like this weird separation of color.
Hey guys, so it's voiceover me here. I lost some of the footage of me doing my hair and I am so sorry, but it was basically just this. I picked pieces of my hair that I thought would look good, placed the color on there, slapped on some tin foil, and that was that. It's pretty simple and I hope you got the gist of it. Again, I'm so sorry about that lost footage.
Hey, so I am back and it is magically finished. It did take me a little while, but since it is just the strips, it didn't take too long, like not anything crazy. I did want to show you real quick how much is left in the container. I don't know if you can really tell. It was filled up to about maybe up here and it's down to around here now. So, I mean, there's still a good amount left in here. I imagine that if I did my whole head, there probably wouldn't be too much left of this. I feel like you get a good amount in this for the price, which I think is about $16 or something. I feel like you get a good amount of hair dye with this, so good on you, Makeup Monsters Cosmetics. I appreciate the large container. I'm gonna probably leave it on for about 40 to 45 minutes. The instructions do say 35 minutes for full color saturation. I always, for me personally, I leave on colors a little bit longer than the suggested time, just because I really wanna make sure that the color's gonna stick on. Sometimes my hair can be a little picky. Anyways, what I'm gonna do is leave this on, wash it out, and then we'll be back. All right, I am back. It is actually quite a few days later. I had decided to come back after I did my first wash, you know, that first wash, hair, shower, all that after you dye your hair, especially with a fashion color, just so you could see how it's gonna look pretty recently after it's been done and with all the normal routines you would do. And I think it almost looks even better. Is that possible? I don't know. I do really love it though. I love the contrast of the blonde against the peach. I'm just having so much fun with it, and I think that this was fun. Yeah, I think if you want a peachy, pinky, almost pastel type of peach, then this is the way to go. I do feel like maybe if I hadn't done the deep conditioner the day before, then maybe it would have been a little more bright. Anyways, I do love it. I've been having so much fun with it, and I'm glad to share this experience with you. Hopefully it helped you. Maybe you've been thinking of a new summer hair look and this gave you some inspiration. I don't know. I like how I put it over here so that when I, brush my fingers through my hair, you can see more of it. And then when it's down like this, it's pretty peekaboo. Anyways, I guess that is it for this video. I hope that it was helpful in any way for you. Maybe I gave you some inspiration to do something new with yourself, and that's cool too. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications. That really helps me and you out. If you like what you're watching and you like me and my videos, you gotta have those notifications on because of all the new changes happening with YouTube right now. We don't know what direction it's gonna go, and especially us small creators, we really need that connection to make sure you guys see our videos if you like them. So don't forget to hit that bell, and yeah, you'll get notified whenever I post one, hopefully. Until next time, guys, stay flawless.